Okay, so we're done. We've got all of the containers done, connected. You see that they're all connected by this tube here. And they're all connected at the same level. So what we've got is we've got the two 5-gallon buckets. We've got the float here. So we fill the water here. This is the only place that we have to water. We don't have to water any of these buckets. Because we fill the water here, the water level will control this, and the water will flow freely among all of these buckets here. And so you'll have a consistent water level in all of these buckets. Now it is important to keep these at the same level. Make sure that the surface that you've got all these laid out on is at the same level. Now we've got these, as I showed you, we got these buckets for free. And that's it's a really inexpensive way to do this whole thing. But if you want to do something where you want to use pretty buckets, maybe you don't want to use this for vegetable garden, maybe you want to do this for flowers, that's fine. Just use your own containers. And there's many containers that will work in this type of setup. So at the beginning of this video series, what we told you we would do is show you how to make 8 containers, 8 planters, self-watering planters for $20 in 20 minutes. And what we did is it actually went to about $22.50. So we went over a little bit, but what we have is we have 9 containers instead of 8 containers. So it really worked out well. If you compare this with other pots and planters that you can buy, self-watering planters that you can buy, you know, they're typically about $35 to $40 each planter. So we've got about $22.50 in 9 planters compared to $30 to $40 per planter on those other self-watering planters. So it's really a good setup, and I'll tell you, I think it's a better setup. I think it's a better invention and product than what you buy on the market. And something you can do at home. It's very simple, fun, fast. All you're doing is drilling holes. Basically, each bucket has 2 holes. You've got 1 hole in the top bucket here, 1 hole in the bottom bucket. It's super simple. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you also in some of the subsequent videos, we're going to show you how to use recycled containers. So you can use milk jugs, you can use recycled 5-gallon bottles. We're also going to show you how you can plant and configure these in different ways. So you can have strawberries coming out the sides of the buckets, or you can have herbs coming out the sides while you have things growing here. So you can grow different things together in the same bucket. We have other tips and tricks too. We're going to show you how to actually hook this up to, let's say you have a rain catch or a larger 55, 60-gallon drum that you want to fill up the water. And so you'd really only water it like once a month or so. So keep watching some of the other videos, and also give us feedback and things that you've learned on how to make this even better. So keep watching. Thank you.